Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. To check that, open the Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update. Here, if you see a new update available, tap on Download and install it. Once your iPhone is updated to the latest version, you're good to go. Now, swipe down or wake your screen to stay on the lock screen. After that, press and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the customization menu appears. After that, tap on Customize at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you're in the edit mode, you will see a small handle at the bottom of the clock widget. Simply drag that handle to adjust the size of the clock. And also, if you want to change the font style or color, just tap on the clock widget. You will see a slider right below the font options. Drag it to the left to make the clock smaller or to the right to make it bigger. You can also pick a different color to match your wallpaper perfectly. And once you're happy with the look, simply tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen, and that's all. That's exactly how you can change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.